U.S. Maximum global tariff war is not only against China, it's against the EU and against all the rest of the world. I would say that the U.S. tariff war is an unjustified war. It's the wrong war. It's damaging, if not undermining, free trade. China steps up to defend not only its own economic interest, but in reality to defend free trade. And for China to defend free trade, it's for the benefit of EU, for all the European countries, and ironically, for the fundamental interests of the American people. So I think the EU has a choice. Now, either you're caving to the maximum pressure from the United States, or you really fight to protect and defend the free trade, like China is doing. From that perspective, I think China and EU should really see the real matters of the world today in the same light. That is, we should promote free trade. We should do whatever we can to promote free trade. Now, while I fully respect the previous panelists, allow me to mention several things. It really takes two to tango. Between China and EU, let's do our best to sign up this comprehensive agreement of investment, because China is in a position to provide lots of capital to European countries for their continued development. China can have, the market size to accommodate many products from Europe, but it's up to the European countries to really do their homework, to really figure out what are the products that the Chinese market want to accept. Because, as I mentioned, some of the products are way out of the marketability in China. Some of the products are not up to standards by Chinese standards. And some of the products are basically being phased out, like fuel cars, which enjoy the brisk market in China for decades. So I think China and the EU should really talk with each other. But of primary responsibility is to sign up this CAI agreement as quickly as possible.
Okay.
Before I talk about China-Russian relations, let me respond to what your previous panelist mentioned. He mentioned Lithuania. For the record, allow me to emphasize, what the Lithuanian government wanted to do is in violation of the One China policy, which is the foundation upon which China-Lithuanian diplomatic relations were established. And as a matter of principle, China will never allow any country, big or small, to violate the One China policy. Therefore, the problem is in Lithuania's court, and EU should not support this violation of the One China policy, because otherwise you completely foul up China-EU relations.